Today, we're diving into 100 of the most common words in the English language and discovering their synonyms. Good, excellent, great, superb, bad, terrible, awful, poor, happy, joyful, cheerful, pleased, sad, unhappy, miserable, big, large, huge, massive, small, tiny, little, petite, fast, quick, rapid, speedy, slow, sluggish, leisurely, smart, intelligent, clever, bright, stupid, foolish, dumb, silly, easy, simple, effortless, hard, difficult, tough, challenging, beautiful, gorgeous, lovely, stunning, ugly, unattractive, unpleasant, strong, powerful, sturdy, robust, weak, feeble, fragile, frail, angry, furious, irritated, annoyed, calm, peaceful, relaxed, serene, tired, exhausted, fatigued, weary, brave, courageous, bold, fearless, scared, afraid, frightened, terrified, funny, hilarious, humorous, serious, grave, solemn, earnest, rich, wealthy, affluent, prosperous, poor, needy, impoverished, hot, warm, boiling, scorching, cold, chilly, freezing, icy, old, aged, elderly, ancient, young, youthful, juvenile, fresh, new, recent, modern, current, tasty, delicious, flavorful, noisy, loud, boisterous, rowdy, quiet, silent, calm, peaceful, clean, neat, spotless, tidy, dirty, messy, filthy, grimy, bright, shiny, radiant, vivid, dark, dim, gloomy, shadowy, busy, occupied, engaged, active, lazy, idle, sluggish, inactive, strong, mighty, forceful, vigorous, weak, delicate, fragile, powerless, expensive, costly, pricey, high-priced, cheap, inexpensive, affordable, friend, companion, buddy, ally, enemy, opponent, foe, rival, interesting, engaging, captivating, boring, dull, tedious, monotonous, early, prompt, ahead, on time, late, delayed, tardy, overdue, safe, secure, protected, guarded, dangerous, risky, hazardous, perilous, kind, nice, gentle, compassionate, mean, cruel, harsh, unkind, helpful, supportive, useful, cooperative, useless, worthless, futile, ineffective, right, correct, accurate, true, wrong, incorrect, mistaken, false, short, brief, little, compact, long, lengthy, extended, prolonged, tall, high, towering, elevated, fat, overweight, plump, chubby, thin, slim, lean, skinny. Full. Packed, filled, loaded. Empty. Vacant, hollow, bare. Win. Triumph, succeed, prevail. Lose. Misplace, forfeit, drop. Run. Sprint, dash, race. Fail. Flounder, falter, collapse. Honest. Truthful, sincere, genuine. Dishonest. Untruthful, deceitful, fraudulent. Polite. Courteous, respectful. Rude. Impolite, disrespectful, offensive. Bring. Carry, fetch, transport. Cowardly. Fearful, timid, spineless. Lucky. Fortunate, blessed, favored. Unlucky. Unfortunate, unfavored, cursed. Send. Dispatch, transmit, deliver. Loud. Deafening, thunderous. Come. Arrive, approach, reach. Relaxed. Easygoing, calm, carefree. Ask. Inquire, question, request. Answer. Reply, respond, retort. Tell. Inform, notify, relate. Say. State, express, declare. Shout. Yell, scream, holler. Whisper. Murmur, mutter, mumble. Move. Shift, relocate, transfer. Stop. Halt, cease, discontinue. Stay. Remain, linger, wait. Go. Depart, leave, proceed. Like. Enjoy, appreciate, admire. Want. Desire, wish, crave. Use. Utilize, employ, apply. Try. Attempt, endeavor, strive. Change. Alter, modify, transform. Turn. Rotate, spin, twist. Look. Glance, gaze, stare. Feel. Sense, experience, perceive. Seem. Appear, look like, resemble. Keep. Retain, maintain, preserve. Congratulations! And there you have it, 100 common words transformed into hundreds of possibilities. You now have a treasure trove of synonyms at your fingertips to make your communication more vibrant and engaging. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more vocabulary lessons, grammar tips, and language learning resources. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next lesson.